As the great Peter Drucker once said, there is nothing so useless as doing efficiently that which should not be done at all. Welcome, my friends, to the fascinating world of Lean Six Sigma, a world where efficiency is king and waste is the enemy. This powerhouse of a methodology has been transforming businesses, large and small, for decades, driving them towards success in a rapidly evolving global market. But what exactly is Lean Six Sigma? Well, in its simplest form, it's a combination of two powerful strategies. Lean, which focuses on eliminating waste, and Six Sigma, which is all about improving efficiency. Together, they form a potent approach to streamlining operations, increasing productivity, and delivering value to customers. Now you might be thinking, that's great, but where did this all start? Good question. Lean Six Sigma has its roots in the manufacturing industry. It was born out of a need for better, faster, more efficient processes. Companies like Toyota and Motorola were pioneers in this field, implementing these strategies to great effect, and setting the standard for others to follow. Over time, Lean Six Sigma has evolved. It's not just for manufacturers anymore. Today it's being used across various sectors, from healthcare to IT, from retail to finance. It's a testament to the versatility and effectiveness of this methodology. But it's not just about processes and profits. Lean Six Sigma also has a profound impact on the people involved. It empowers employees, fostering a culture of continuous improvement and collaboration. It's about making things better, not just for the company but for the people who work there. So there we have it, a brief introduction to the power of efficiency, the elimination of waste, and the transformative potential of Lean Six Sigma. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. To truly understand Lean Six Sigma, we must delve deeper into its principles and methodologies. And that's exactly what we're going to do. So stay tuned as we journey further into the world of Lean Six Sigma. Henry Ford once stated, "If everyone is moving forward together, then success takes care of itself." So, let's move forward together to understand the Lean Six Sigma methodology, a powerful approach that has revolutionized efficiency and waste reduction in industries worldwide. This methodology unfolds through a five-phase process known as DMAIC: define, measure, analyze, improve, and control. In the define phase, we identify the problem. It's like setting the coordinates for our journey towards efficiency. We ask critical questions like, what is the issue, and why does it matter? Without a well-defined problem, we could end up chasing shadows instead of addressing the real issues. Next, we measure. Here, we assess our current situation, collecting data to understand the extent and impact of the problem. Remember, what gets measured gets managed. It's all about establishing a baseline that allows us to see progress and quantify success. Then comes the analyze phase. It's detective work, really. We dig deep into the data, seeking out the root cause of the problem. This is where we separate symptoms from causes, ensuring that we don't just treat the surface issues but get to the heart of the matter. The fourth stage, improve, is where creativity meets strategy. We design and implement solutions to eradicate the root cause identified. We test, we tweak, we transform. It's all about making strategic changes that yield tangible results. Finally, we arrive at control. But this is not the end. Rather, it's the beginning of sustained improvement. We monitor the implemented changes, ensuring they're delivering the desired results. It's about maintaining the gains and preventing a slide back into old habits. Each phase of the DMAIC process plays a vital role, contributing to a comprehensive approach that drives efficiency and reduces waste. It's a methodical journey, one that requires commitment, teamwork, and a relentless pursuit of improvement. As you can see, Lean Six Sigma is not just a set of tools, it's a philosophy. As Steve Jobs once said, innovation is what distinguishes a leader from a follower. This quote beautifully encapsulates the psychological ethos behind Lean Six Sigma. It's not merely a business methodology, it's a mindset steeped in the principles of continuous improvement, innovation, leadership, and teamwork. Let's delve a bit deeper. At the core of Lean Six Sigma is the idea of continuous improvement. This is not just an operational strategy, but a psychological one. It fosters an environment where individuals are motivated to consistently enhance their skills and knowledge. It's a mindset that celebrates progress over perfection, recognizing that every small step forward contributes to the larger goal. Then there's innovation. Lean Six Sigma empowers individuals to think creatively, to challenge the status quo, and to seek out new and improved ways of doing things. It's a mindset that encourages curiosity and embraces change, recognizing that innovation is the lifeblood of progress. Leadership, too, plays a pivotal role in the Lean Six Sigma philosophy. It's about fostering a culture of trust and respect where everyone feels valued and heard. Leaders in a Lean Six Sigma environment aren't just decision makers, they're facilitators, mentors, and role models, inspiring their teams to reach their full potential. And of course, there's teamwork. Lean Six Sigma recognizes that success is a collective effort. It encourages collaboration and communication, fostering a culture where diverse ideas and perspectives are welcomed and celebrated. It's a mindset that understands the power of unity and the incredible things that can be achieved when we work together. In essence, Lean Six Sigma is not just about improving business processes. It's about cultivating a certain kind of mindset, one that values continuous improvement, innovation, leadership, and teamwork. It's about creating a culture that's conducive to growth, not just in terms of operational efficiency, but also in terms of personal and professional development. Lean Six Sigma is as much about people and culture as it is about methodology. Because at the end of the day, it's the people who make the magic happen, and it's the culture that sets the stage for that magic to unfold. In the words of Elon Musk, when something is important enough, you do it even if the odds are not in your favor. Let's delve into the world of real-life applications of Lean Six Sigma. Many companies, big and small, have embraced this methodology and have reaped significant benefits. Take, for instance, General Electric, one of the pioneers in implementing Lean Six Sigma. During the late 90s, under the leadership of Jack Welch, the company faced the challenge of improving quality, reducing costs, and increasing customer satisfaction. They turned to Lean Six Sigma. After years of persistent effort, they reported savings of over $12 billion. It wasn't an easy journey, but it was worth it. Next, let's look at Motorola, the birthplace of Six Sigma. Motorola grappled with quality issues in their manufacturing process. They adopted Six Sigma in the mid-80s, and within 2 years they reported a 5-fold increase in productivity and a 50% reduction in defects. Their success story inspired many other companies to follow suit. Amazon, the e-commerce giant, provides another shining example. They have integrated Lean Six Sigma into their culture to improve efficiency and customer satisfaction. The company faces the challenge of managing a vast logistics network. They use Six Sigma to analyze data and identify inefficiencies. By applying lean principles, they eliminate waste and streamline processes, ensuring that your package arrives on time every time. Lastly, let's talk about Boeing. The aerospace behemoth uses Lean Six Sigma to maintain high standards of quality and safety. They face the challenge of reducing production time and costs without compromising on quality. Through Lean Six Sigma, they managed to reduce production time by 1/3 and save millions of dollars. These success stories share a common theme: taking on significant challenges, implementing Lean Six Sigma, and achieving remarkable results. The journey may be tough and the odds may seem stacked against you. But remember, as Elon Musk said, when something is important enough, you do it. These examples prove that Lean Six Sigma can bring about transformative change. Albert Einstein once said, "We cannot solve our problems with the same thinking we used when we created them." This quote rings particularly true when thinking about how to approach efficiency and waste reduction in our personal and professional lives. The Lean Six Sigma methodology, typically used in business environments, can be surprisingly applicable to our daily routines. Firstly, let's start with the lean part of Lean Six Sigma. Just as businesses aim to streamline their processes, we too can look for ways to simplify our lives. This could mean decluttering our physical spaces, reducing our digital footprint, or even re-evaluating our commitments. The goal is to eliminate the unnecessary, leaving more room for what truly adds value. Next, we have the Six Sigma aspect, which is all about reducing variation and improving consistency. In our lives, this might look like setting routines that work for us, creating checklists to ensure we don't forget important tasks, or using time management techniques to stay focused and productive. But how do we start implementing these principles? A good starting point is to map out your current processes, whether it's your morning routine, your workflow, or your weekly grocery run. Identify the steps, note down what's working and what's not, and then brainstorm ways to eliminate the waste and increase efficiency. Remember, the key to Lean Six Sigma is continuous improvement. Don't be discouraged if you don't see immediate results. It's about making small, incremental changes that add up over time. And most importantly, it's about being flexible and adaptable, ready to adjust your approach as your circumstances change. Another important point to remember is that Lean Six Sigma isn't about becoming a productivity robot. It's about making your life easier, freeing up time and mental space for the things you love. So whether you're looking to streamline your work processes, declutter your home, or simply make your daily routines more efficient, Lean Six Sigma principles can provide a framework to help. Lean Six Sigma is not just for businesses, it's a mindset that can be adopted by anyone. Bill Gates once remarked, "We always overestimate the change that will occur in the next 2 years and underestimate the change that will occur in the next 10. This wisdom rings remarkably true as we gaze into the future of Lean Six Sigma. In a rapidly shifting business landscape, Lean Six Sigma continues to prove its relevance and adaptability. Emerging trends such as digital transformation, artificial intelligence, and machine learning are reshaping industries. But how does Lean Six Sigma fit into this evolving picture? Lean Six Sigma is not just a methodology, it's a mindset. It's about minimizing waste and maximizing value, principles that remain crucial regardless of technological advancements. With digital transformation sweeping across sectors, Lean Six Sigma can play a pivotal role in streamlining processes, enhancing customer experiences, and driving innovation. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are becoming integral parts of business operations. Here, Lean Six Sigma's data-driven approach shines. It provides a robust framework for utilizing these technologies effectively, ensuring that they contribute to process improvement rather than creating new complexities. Furthermore, the rise of remote working and virtual teams presents new challenges in communication and workflow management. Lean Six Sigma, with its focus on continuous improvement and efficient processes, can help organizations navigate these changes. By identifying bottlenecks and improving communication channels, it can ensure that remote teams function seamlessly. But it's not just about adapting Lean Six Sigma to the future, it's about shaping the future with Lean Six Sigma. As businesses continue to seek ways to improve, innovate, and stay competitive, Lean Six Sigma will remain a powerful tool. It will inspire new methodologies and approaches that drive efficiency and value creation. In the words of management guru Peter Drucker, the best way to predict the future is to create it. And that's precisely what Lean Six Sigma enables businesses and individuals to do. Lean Six Sigma has stood the test of time, and its principles will continue to guide businesses and individuals towards efficiency and success. Remember what Thomas Edison said, "There's a way to do it better. Find it." We've come a long way in our exploration of Lean Six Sigma, a methodology that embodies this very sentiment. As we wrap up, let's take a moment to revisit the key takeaways from our journey. We began by delving into the power of efficiency, understanding that it's not just about doing things quickly, but doing them right. We saw how Lean Six Sigma harnesses this power, combining two powerful methodologies, Lean, which focuses on eliminating waste, and Six Sigma, which aims to reduce variation and improve quality. Then we delved into the psychology behind Lean Six Sigma, revealing that it's more than a set of tools and techniques. It's a mindset that values continuous improvement, strives for perfection, and embraces change, a mindset that can be cultivated and applied in any area of life. We saw Lean Six Sigma in action, exploring real-world examples from companies like Toyota and General Electric. These giants have shown that Lean Six Sigma isn't just theory, it's a practical approach that can drive significant improvements in efficiency and quality. From there, we discussed how to implement Lean Six Sigma in your life. Whether you're a business professional looking to optimize your processes, or simply someone seeking to streamline your daily routine, Lean Six Sigma principles can be applied universally. It's about seeking out waste and inefficiencies, challenging the status quo, and continually striving for improvement. Looking to the future, we considered the evolving role of Lean Six Sigma in an increasingly complex and fast-paced world. As technology continues to advance, and as businesses and individuals alike face new challenges and opportunities, Lean Six Sigma remains a relevant and powerful tool for navigating the road ahead. But our journey doesn't end here. This video only scratches the surface of Lean Six Sigma and its potential. There's a wealth of resources out there for you to continue your exploration. From books and courses to professional certifications, I encourage you to dive deeper, to challenge yourself, and to embrace the Lean Six Sigma mindset in your pursuit of efficiency and improvement. As we continue to strive for efficiency and waste reduction, remember that Lean Six Sigma is not just a methodology, but a way of thinking that can lead to greater success and satisfaction. Like Thomas Edison, let's always seek the better way, the Lean Six Sigma way.